Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. OWD stands for Organization Wide Defaults. Determine the default level of access user have to records in Salesforce. It defines the baseline access for all records of a particular object. OWD settings act as foundation for record level security and are applied when sharing rules and manual sharing are not in place. OWD access level. This is of further 6 types: private, public read write, public read write transfer, public full access, controlled by parent. Private and public read. Private, only owner of the record can access the record and perform read, write, delete, transfer operation on the records. Public read, if we define OWD as public read on an object, every user can access every record in the object. Records for which he is owner, on those records he can perform read, write, delete, transfer operation. Records for which he is not owner, on those records he can only perform read operation. Public read write and public read write transfer. So let's see first public read write. If we define OWD as public read write on an object, every user can access every record in the object. Records for which he is owner, on those records he can perform read, write, delete, transfer operation. Records for which he is not owner, on those records he can perform read, write operation. Public read, write transfer. Only for lead and case object it's available. If we define OWD as public read, write transfer on an object, every user can access every record in the lead and case object. Records for which he is owner, on those records he can perform read, write, delete, transfer operation. Records for which he is not owner, on those records he can perform read, write, transfer operation. Public full access and control by parent. Public full access only for campaign object. This can be defined only on campaign object. If we define OWD as public full access, every user in the organization can access every record and can perform read, write, delete, transfer operation on every record. Controlled by parents. If two objects are connected to each other using master detail relationship, then child object will not have its owner. What the OWD is defined on the master object, same OWD will be applied on the child object, which we called as controlled by parents. View all and modify all. View all. On an object for a profile, if we enable view all permission, all the users with that profile can access all records of the objects irrespective of OWD. They can perform read operations on other records. Modify all. On an object for a profile, if we enable modify all permission, all the users with that profile can access all the records on the object irrespective of OWD. They can perform read, write, delete, transfer operation on all the records. Grant access using hierarchy. If we enable this option, users can access all the records that are accessible to the subordinates in the role hierarchy. By default, this option is enabled on the standard objects. On custom object, we can enable or disable based on our business requirement. Profile level, view all and modify all given at profile level. View all and modify all permission on object will dominate OWDs. Navigation for sharing setting. Setup, settings, security, sharing settings. So let's log into our Salesforce account to see the navigation. So after clicking on setup, under settings, this option, in security, we are seeing sharing settings. Sharing settings. This page displays your organization's sharing settings. These settings specify the level of access your user have to each other's data. Means here manage sharing settings for all objects. We can choose a particular object also from here. So all the standard objects are coming over here. So leads, accounts, contacts, orders, assets, products, opportunities, cases, campaign, individual, activity, calendar, price book, and these are all standard objects. Below we had created some of the custom objects that are also coming over here. So that custom objects are candidate, course, employee, job application, payment, position, registration, student. These are all custom objects. So while clicking on this particular, we can redirect to that particular object for the settings. So if I am clicking on candidate object, so all the settings are shared over here. Default sharing settings, organization wide defaults. So object is candidate, default internal access is public read write, default external access is private, grant access using hierarchies is checked. So let's select the all objects. Organization wide defaults, here we can take the help. So these are all objects. These are default internal access, default external access, grant access using hierarchies. So for the lead standard object, public read write transfer. So in two cases we are seeing this public read write transfer for this object and for case object. We are not seeing this public read write transfer for other objects. Campaign member is controlled by campaign. Campaign is having full access, and this is the only object having public full access. Apart from this, most of the access we are seeing public read only and public read write. Coming to our custom objects, what we had created, so candidate object we had created by default, the OWD settings we are getting public read write. So candidate, course, employee, job application, why we are getting controlled by parent, because on job application there is master detail relationship, so we are getting the access like controlled by parent. Same as payment also, position public read write, registration public read write, and student as well public read write. Other settings, and here sharing rules we are seeing like lead sharing rules and all the standard object sharing rules. Down below we are able to see The custom object sharing rule. Registration, position, employee, student. Thank you and